I guess even he has no clue how it tasted. It was just the masala, and I don't know, like his plate looks so dirty. Like after you finish everything, I was like, oh my God. Thank
I
God I
mean,
just took one, and yeah, I just tried to like, make it look like I've had something, but I just kept it aside. Yeah.
my understanding was that they bring it and they open it for you, and then you can have the meat inside. But this person, I think himself was not too trained, so this
Yeah.
entire crab
He
came.
didn't know how to cut, like where
Yeah,
to start, like.
yeah, and I'm sitting there, I'm looking at him, I'm like, okay, how do we proceed? I look at him and I'm like, can you open it? And he looks at me like, nope. I'm like, okay. And then, and I'm like, okay, fine. And then I tried something first, tried to break it with that thing that you get, but that didn't work out. So tried with my teeth to break the thing.